For decades, we've been told the same story. Work hard, spend less, save money, and one day, you'll be free. That was the dream. A safe life built on discipline and patience. But that dream is fading, faster than anyone realizes. Because the rules have changed. And the money you're saving is quietly dying in your hands. Every dollar you save today buys less tomorrow. It's not your fault, it's the system. This isn't about laziness or poor spending. It's about inflation, the invisible force that reduces your money's power every single year. What used to cost $1 now costs $2, $3, sometimes $5. And your bank? It's giving you 1% back while inflation eats 6%. That's not growth, that's slow motion loss. Inflation is called the silent tax for a reason. It doesn't take money from your account, it takes value from your life. When governments print more money, prices rise. When prices rise, the same savings buy less. You work the same hours, but your money stretches shorter. It's a game where standing still means falling behind. And millions are losing without even realizing they're playing. Money was once tied to gold, real, tangible value. A dollar represented something solid. But that ended decades ago. Now, money is printed with no physical limit, created out of thin air by central banks. Every time new money enters the system, your existing savings become worth less. That's why your grandparents could buy a home for $30,000, and that same house costs $500,000 today. The system didn't get fairer. It just got faster, for everyone but you. We think saving in a bank is safe. But your money isn't sitting there. Banks lend your savings. They invest it, profit from it, and give you a fraction back. They win because they move money. You lose because you let it sleep. Safety isn't about where your money rests, it's about where it grows. And, in today's world, resting money dies quietly. 50 years ago, one income could buy a home, raise a family, and still save for the future. Today, even two incomes struggle to survive. That's not progress. That's inflation eating your standard of living. And yet, people still cling to the old rule: just save. But saving doesn't protect you anymore. It traps you in slow decline. We hold on to savings out of fear. Fear of loss. Fear of uncertainty. But here's the paradox: by not taking risk, you take the biggest risk of all. Inflation doesn't wait. Opportunities do. When you cling to cash, you choose comfort over growth. And comfort is what inflation feeds on. If saving kills value, what keeps it alive? Movement. Money was never meant to sit still. It was designed to flow, through ideas, businesses, and innovation. Investing isn't gambling. It's survival in a world where value decays every second. You don't need millions to start. You just need direction. Start small, grow slow, but most importantly, move. The rich understand one thing. Money is a tool, not a treasure. They don't save for safety, they invest for leverage. Their dollars work, even when they sleep. They own assets that grow with inflation: real estate, stocks, businesses. While the average saver loses buying power, they gain ownership power. The difference isn't luck, it's understanding how the system works, and playing on the right side of it. Saving still matters, but only for emergencies. Your goal isn't to stack cash. It's to build growth engines. A true saver today doesn't hoard, they allocate. They save to invest. They don't ask, how much can I save this year? They ask, how much can I make my money grow? That shift changes everything. The world has changed. Inflation is real, and the era of easy saving is over. So don't just save money. Save your future. Because in this economy, you don't win by keeping your money safe. You win by making it move.